Alright guys, it's about time to install the operating system. So I have my operating system into a thumb drive, and which is a 128 gigabytes. So this just thumb drive is almost the size of a hard drive. So 128 gigabyte, if you see that. It's a USB 3.0. So I have two of them. You know how I like to do my stuff. I like to do everything kind of like big, or not everything, but most of the stuff I know is gonna be important or beneficial to me. I have to make it and provide space for that and for the near future. So I can do a lot of storage. I would have been storing all my videos into this guy, and it's a USB 3.0 128 gigabyte. So I have the red one. I marked that as the operating system. The other one is just extra storage. So stay tuned. So these are the hard drive. Okay, I'll call them as a hard drive. External storage. You know, you can use a thumb drive. So guys, this is what it is. And see that 128. So I'm gonna take this and plug it on the front of the USB, the 3.0, which is gonna be the SS there, like a solid state. Okay, like a solid state drive is gonna be right on the front here. I'm gonna plug this one, but before doing that, I'm gonna turn the computer on and go to the BIOS and tell it where to boot from. I'm gonna want it to boot on one of these guys, and that's how I load my operating systems, because we don't use CDs anymore to run this one old game, because some manufacturer now, if you buy something, they end up giving you just the you can download now. So that's what I've done. Download it and get a license registration. I can just slap that thing in there, and right away the Windows already activated. So this is what it is, and I'm gonna start up the computer, and you will see what is happening here. Okay, and the monitor. Yeah, oh sorry. This is where I'm gonna plug it. The USB solid state drive, the SS US solid state. So it plugs as 3.0, and that's what I have here, 3.0. So it's gonna plug on this guy, and I'm gonna fire up the computer, but I have to change onto the BIOS and tell it where to boot. Okay, and the screen's right there. Okay, there's just a small monitor I'm using right now. I'm going to be using a giant monitor when my thing comes up, my whatever my video card comes, then I can go about it. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you select where. You can't just plug thing and think because it's not a CD and it's gonna ask for USB or hard drive where it's gonna boot on. So we want it to boot into this chip right here, the 128. Okay, the USB 3.0. That's where we're gonna plug it right on the front, like I explained. And check this out. I'm gonna power up the thing, and we're gonna look for the sequence how it's gonna boot. Okay. And right there, if that lights can only be out of the way. So look what it's gonna say. It's gonna say no boot found or something. It say no boot found. So press any other key so we can go into this. Check this out. Push that. So all I have to do is push in F12. Then that will bring you to starting the boot you want. No boot found. So, and I'm gonna take the chip now, this one, and I'm gonna plug it to the front. So let's come back here. I'm gonna plug this guy. Let me see, utilize the first spot right here, and let's do the boot button. Then I'm gonna select F12 on the PC, on the keyboard. Keep pushing it, and look what it's doing. Keep pushing it. Tap. Then now it's asking us where we want to boot. See that? So it founds the USB drive right here. Let me drop the cursor down by using the arrows down here. So let's go. So instead of USB device, this is the Western Digital. This is the hard drive right here. Okay, this is the USB, and this is the this is just a standard USB, the 2.0 where I lighted, and this is the DVD, and this is the one, the USB disc 3.0 M PMAP. So this is what we want. I'm going to push enter, and look, now right away it found Windows. It found Windows right away. So this is how you go about installing the operating system on a USB drive. If you store your operating system on USB drive instead of having a CD. So stay tuned. All of a sudden you're gonna start getting the thing started whining, you know. And it's the fast drive. So it's gonna do a faster installation for us, and it's gonna see started picking. Stay tuned for that. There you go. So it started spinning. See that thing? It's going to bring us a purple screen, blue, and it's going to ask United States. And see that? So I just have to select if that's the region I want, if you're another part of the world. And let's say, like using the mouse, and we can able to click what part of the country you want. English, United States, or just English, you see that? Then you can go the time zone. These are the countries in the world, so you can just select all over your location where you are, and you can find your country. For us in the United States, the machine automatically detect my location, and that's gonna be right away to the point where we were earlier. So it's gonna say United States right there. See that keyboard? You can choose if a US keyboard or a British keyboard, because these keyboards are all different. They are not the same. The way they lined up the keys, they're all different. So you can choose what country how your keyboard is designed for, and you can choose right from there. I hope this video helped you guys. A lot of you guys want to do this or have never done this before. It's not that hard at all. So now we just have to select the next, and we're gonna say install Windows right there. There we go. So that completes our installation. From here, you can go follow the screen and do whatever now you want, or follow whatever how the installation pattern goes. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. I hope you learned something. Like and subscribe from this channel. Bye for now. Stay tuned. When the machine is all upgraded, updated, then I will get back to you. You will see a performance. So you see that? So you have to agree to the accept to the license terms and conditions, and push the next. You don't want to do upgrade. You want to do a clean install. Okay? A clean install. That's what you want to do. So you see, it finds the hard drive. So it's not going to always give you the terabyte, 6 terabytes, exactly what you paid for or what you look for. And it's going to format the hard drive, because this is the only thing now is blank, nothing here. If something would have been there, you have to push delete. And it's going to, if you have partitions on this, then it's going to go back to and filled up this one, make it a big hard drive. Okay. And by that, it's going to format the hard drive by pushing this. It's gonna clean up whatever is there to start the fresh Windows. Okay. All right. Love you guys all. Bye for now. So guys, back again. You see now, you started doing the install. It's gonna find all drivers, because most of the time now everything is it's already set up. The drivers, the thing can just go ahead and look for everything. Some of them you can get them connected. You have to get to the internet. But if it's an upgrade, then it's just going to put the drivers for you that you already have there. You don't have to download them anymore. So like I said, it's going to install probably drivers for my network card. I showed you guys network card right behind here, these antennas. Okay. And it's just about asking you for your PIN number or license, what a security password and everything. Well, guys, it's 11% already. Counting. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. like and subscribe. Live from Minnesota, JW Solar USA. This is how you build a computer, or this is how you update your computer to a better computer. 16 gigabytes of memory and 6 terabytes of hard drive. Then I'm going to have a 2 gigabyte of a video card, which is I think made by NVIDIA. And so and I'm installing a Windows 10 64-bit hard drive. So it's faster with a cache of 256 cache. Okay, so you see how fast it's installing now. 48, almost 50%. It's going there. It's copying Windows files. No noise on the computer at all. Nothing. It's quiet, and that's how I want it. And next, I'm gonna have a video card right here, advanced video card, and that's gonna give some little bit of kind of fans are gonna be running because of the video card has a fan or something, whatever. So it will just plug. It's a PCI Express card. See that? PCI Express. Those are the faster connection, so they process everything really fast. So I'm gonna have it right there, and everything's gonna look good. And this computer is gonna be very, very, very now expensive computer compared to how it was. And guys, the computer is at the Optiplex, the 920, okay, with Windows 10, 64-bit, and 16 gigabytes of memory, and 6 terabytes of hard drive, and 2 gigabytes of video card. NVIDIA is going to be incorporated right there with a wireless communication antennas right here for Wi-Fi, and good for editing, video, surveillance, recording, and it can accommodate up to 32 to 64 cameras simultaneously recording on a 4K. So 100%, look at that. Super fast, because we're using the USB 3.0 chip to go about that right here. It's a little guy. Instead of using a disk, it's right here. That's the other one here, the spare one I have. It's a 128. See that? 128 gigabyte. USB 3.0. It's a good storage. This is a big storage, just like a hard drive. Okay? Look at that. 128. Okay, that's what it is, and the installation is going to be completed soon. Check this out. Ha! It's already installed all the drivers and installed the Windows, and look at that. It's running. Windows need to restart. That's what it's doing. Boom. Check the speed. It's going to come up really quick. So, see that? So that's what they said with the hard drive. They start up really fast, and they can tolerate heat. The hard drive, look at Windows. Now I'm going to be going through all the process of installing whatever the question is going to be asking me to set up my computer. Okay, thanks for watching.